friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm going to be showing you some of the best apps for school. These apps are basically a wide variety of different genres or categories, but they'll all help you and they've all helped me, so hopefully they'll help you too. So the first app that is my absolute favorite will save you so much time in English class or other classes where you have to read books, and this app is called Lint Charts. It is basically Spark Notes times 1,000. So you click on a book and then it gives you the entire plot summary, like chapter by chapter, and it is so specific, and it saves you from having to read, or if you've forgotten everything that you've read, it'll save your life. And it also talks about the analysis and themes for each chapter, not just the whole book, but each chapter, and it goes into very specific detail. And it doesn't just have like 10 books. It has like books that you never would think would be on there, but they are, and it's so exciting. Then the next app is called Photomath. You may or may not have heard of this, but it's really helpful when it comes to like helping you with algebra equations. You can't really use it in like geometry or trigonometry, but if you're doing algebra, it really helps you. Basically what you do is you scan a picture of the equation or whatever that you're stuck on, and what it does is it teaches you how to do it. Like, it doesn't just give you the answers. I don't know about you guys, but for me, I can't just see the answers. I have to see how it's done, and that's exactly what it does, which is so nice. And the next app, which you all probably have heard of, but I just should touch base on it because it is the best ever, which I'm probably saying about all of these, but this one is great. It is Khan Academy. So if you don't know what Khan Academy is, basically they're videos or like worksheets or stuff that basically teach you the lesson if the teacher doesn't teach you the lesson. It's not just with math. They have it for like, I know this past year I used it so much for chemistry and it like saved my life. It just is really helpful, and it goes through, it explains, it gives you practice problems, and it's my favorite thing ever. And it's free too. I don't know how it's free, but it is free. And the next app is Slater. You probably have also heard of this, but for some reason I hadn't heard of it till last year. And it didn't really help me last year because we didn't do any work out of a textbook. But what it does is it has answers and step-by-step explanations basically for math textbook questions. It has so many math textbooks on there or whatever. It is so helpful and will save your life, especially if you just don't understand, because I know a lot of times math textbooks are kind of interesting, difficult at explaining things. So this does a way better job of explaining things than a textbook does. And the next app is Quizlet. If you haven't heard of Quizlet, then go download it. But basically what it is, it's a flashcard system. It's so nice because you have all your flashcards in one place, and you don't have to use it for like vocab words or whatever. You can literally use it for math equations, science terms, whatever you need it to. And it's also super nice because you can like search up other people's flashcard sets that may be better than yours are, or if you are really lazy and don't want to make your own, you can just look up other flashcard sets for that topic or whatever that you're looking at. It's so nice. And the final app is not super school related, but it also is kind of, and it is Sleep Cycle. I love this app because what you do is you basically plug your phone in, set a time alarm or something, like say you want to wake up from 6 to 6:30, and what it does is like the microphone's picking up your breathing and it'll wake you up during that time that you set it for. It basically tracks the pattern of your sleep, and it causes you to wake up during that time frame when you're the most susceptible to waking up, so you're not like in a deep sleep and it's impossible to wake up. It wakes you up when you're in a super light sleep, and that's so helpful because it gets you ready and awake for the day, and you're not super groggy when you wake up. And I know that if I'm super tired when I wake up, I'm gonna be tired for the rest of the day. And I just think that's really helpful for school, so you're not falling asleep in the middle of class or whatever. So yay! So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope some of these apps will help you in school this year. Or if you're not in school, maybe they'll just help you in general, because some of these are just super general things that can help you with work or whatever else you got going on. But I hope you guys have found an app maybe that could help you with whatever you need help with. And let me know in the comments if you have any other apps that help you with school or work or whatever. Just just let me know. And I will see you in my next video. I hope you guys had a great day. Thanks for watching.